At sa lahat na nagtatanong kung nasan si Tita Denise natin, we say, "Sawadee ka!" to her. Ano ang ginagawa sa Thailand ngayon ng ating Tita Denise? Okay, ready na ba siya? Tell our Afternoon Delight viewers na namimiss ka na. Ngayon din, Tita D.
Sawadee ka, Lord. Hello. And Pawi. Actually, as of the moment, we are on our way to Samut Prakan, which is the venue of the polo match later on at 4 p.m. Lalaban yung ating yung ating mga atleta kontra host team Thailand, and we're trying to get there early to make sure na susubukan natin sila makausap, but they sure are ready. Nakalaban nila yung Thailand and kailan nga ba? Today is a Monday. I believe nung Saturday naglaban na sila, no? And they said that they are ready, they are willing to bounce back. Pero pag-usapan din natin, of course, what's happening tomorrow. All is set and ready again for the grand opening of the 33rd Southeast Asian Games here in Bangkok. Tomorrow, December 9 at 7 p.m., the opening ceremony at Rajang Mangalas National Stadium will officially launch the competition where more than 12,500 athletes from 11 nations will compete in over 50 sports and 574 medal events. Napakarami yan. Ito rin yung unang beses na mag-host ang Thailand since 2007, and this year also marks the biggest SEA Games in history in terms of athlete participation. So same is the case for how the Philippines is being represented by more than 1,600 athletes. The games will run again tomorrow opening December 9 up until December 20 with events held across venues in Bangkok and Chonburi. So dapat meron pang Songkla, pinag-uusapan natin yan a few weeks ago, but due to recent flooding and talks of influenza outbreak, yung organizing committee made the decision to move all the games in Songkla to Bangkok. So dadami pa yung games sa Bangkok. Pero yun nga, no, balik tayo sa mangyayari tomorrow. The ceremony will feature live performances daw from different top Thai artists, including Bam Bam Buwakol, which is apparently, or who is apparently very popular here in Thailand. And performers are expected to showcase some things that blend music, culture, and sport in celebration daw of regional unity. At matagtag ko lang, Lord and Pawi, kasi balita tayo, nakuha tayo ng word from POC President Abraham Bambol Tolentino kanina lang after the SEA Games Federation Council meeting. So, originally, dun sa opening ceremony, dapat 200 of our athletes will represent the Philippines. Pero dahil magkakaroon daw ng lockdown tomorrow at either 1 or 2 p.m. So, yung mga athletes na babiyahe bukas na maglaland ng tanghali, kanselado na, for sure, hindi na sila aabot dun sa lockdown. Ang problema dun, athletics alone, 61 athletes ang meron tayo, sigurado, ay hindi na makaka-attend. So, as of the moment, we are trying to figure out the schedules of all of our athletes, kung sino yung pwedeng pumarada. 200 kasi yung maximum na pwedeng mag-represent sa Pilipinas. Kung hindi man makakuha ng mga athletes, they may invite coaches or several members of the team to represent the Philippines as well. Lord Pawi.
Pero Tita Denise, aabot naman ba si Alex Ayala and si Brian Bagunas na magiging flag bearer natin dyan sa opening ceremony?
As of now, Pawi, we have yet to confirm kung ano yung flight schedule nila. Kasi mga 15 minutes ago lang din na nakuha natin yung interview kay POC President Bambol Tolentino, at doon niya nga sinabi na biglang magkakaroon daw ng lockdown at hindi pa rin sigurado kung anong oras. Ang sabi niya, either 1 or 2 p.m. daw tomorrow.
Tita D, kamusta ang temperatura dyan? Mas mainit ba sa Maynila o pareho lang o mas malamig?
Parang kasing init lang, Lord. Kasi kagabi, no? Well, I have to observe it kasi kagabi, kahapon, sa gabi na kami dumating. So this is the first time na talagang bumabiyahe kami. Pero tirik na tirik ang araw, but we were also advised na pag daw umiikot ay magdala ng payong dahil paminsan-minsan ay bumubuhos din daw yung ulan.
So, in terms of yung atleta natin, adjustment sa weather, walang problema. Kung pareho lang.
I think so. Madami naman sa kanila ang bumiyahe ng mas maaga. No? I think at least 2 to 3 days before competition, yun naman yung tina-target ng mga teams. For them or for the athletes, of course, to be acclimated with everything.
Nanalo raw tayo sa baseball kontra Singapore. Tama raw, Tita D?
That's right. Nanalo tayo. Dalawang magkasunod na yan, back-to-back wins for our baseball team. At mamaya, may schedule silang game. Double check ko lang kung sino yung kalaban nila. But they do have a game at 2 p.m. That would be... Teka, sino nga bang kalaban ng baseball team natin. Ang nakabantay dyan is our very own Bel Gregorio din. And nagsalita si PSC Chairman Pato Gregorio na talagang napakalakas daw ng ating baseball team. So we are hoping, we are praying na magtuloy-tuloy yung kanilang magandang ipinapakita mamaya sa laban na ng Sudan.
Quickly, Tita Denise, before we let you go, ano ba yung medal target ng Team Philippines for the SEA Games?
Hold on. Ito pala. Sorry, Tita Pawi, singit ko lang.
Go.
Philippines versus Malaysia.
Yes.
Ayan, at 2 p.m. yung ating baseball team. Tapos yung mamaya, medal target natin, wala pa tayong number, but we are hoping to get the polo match later on. May laban ng Team Pilipinas at 4 p.m. against Thailand. If they do win, later, we are secured of a silver medal. If we lose, dun tayo medyo mag-aalangan, kasi kailangan pa natin hintayin kung sino yung makakalaban natin. Kung sino yung matatalo between the match of Thailand and, not Thailand, match of Brunei and Malaysia.
Ayan. So may chance na pala tayo mag-medal mamaya. Sana makuha na natin yan.
Baka si Tita Denise pwede sumama sa Philippine contingent pag kinulang ng tao sa di ba?
Why not?
Baka tumilapon ako pag ako ang sumakay ng kabayo, Lord. Wag yun.
Ayun tawag animal cruelty.
Pero abangan natin kasi maganda naman yung ipinapakita ng Team Philippines. Actually, ganado din silang lahat because the last time na nagkaroon ng polo event in the SEA Games was back in 2019. Diyan yan sa Pilipinas, sa Calatagan, Batangas.
Polo Games.
Tignan natin, but there is a challenge dahil ang balita rin natin, Team Philippines pala is one of the teams na hindi daw nagdala at ng sarili nilang mga horses. May mga teams kasi nagdadala ng sarili nilang mga horses.
Yan ang mga friends natin, na sila Basti, sila
friends mo yon?
Si Basti, yung singer na Wolfgang dati. Anyway, Tita D. Okay, mukhang magpapadtay si Tita Denise. Pero tayo dito, lasagna lang muna kami dito, Tita Denise, ang delight of the day natin. Thank you, ating Tita Denise Tan. Namimiss ka na namin ngayon pa lang. And we'll call on you for SEA Games 2025 updates. Ingat and have fun in Thailand.
Thank you, Tita Denise.
Thank you. Thank you anytime.